Look at the nature and love in between, the creativity of nature. The two things created by the nature. This is entirely a different tree, and this is a different tree. Two different castes. They, though they don't believe, but for us, how beautifully this very large, tall tree has embraced this tree. It's so beautiful. It's so good to follow by the humans on this earth, that they don't see any difference. They just see it is love. We are created by one, the God, the nature. From any dimension, love is love. Oh gosh. Thank you, nature, and thanks, God, for providing me such a beautiful moment. Thank you.